Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to demonstrate our Steelmaster Industrial full hydraulic Panbrake 3204. It's got a 3200 bending length, 4mm capacity, 2mm stainless, 6mm alley, pretty well across the board, but yeah, that can sort of vary a little bit, sort of subject to what you want to do. Our Steelmaster Industrial Panbrakes are heavy duty built for industry. We just sell B2B equipment, industrial machinery, and this is for operation in any workplace, 7 days a week, 8 hours a day, whatever. So our Steelmaster Panbrakes all have solid stems. The fingers are all hardened and ground as well. So the hardened and ground rated fingers and ground with a slight radius on the bottom. We've got the removable front angle there as well that can be taken off if you're doing some catering work or some tight bending. Nice feature too, we've got a nice big sort of gap here on the side. So when you're doing sort of side folding, you can use this gap there to actually do particular folds. Also, some of the features when sheet metal workers need to adjust the varying thickness, you can either sort of move the head back via this system here, which is, this is the Australian designed Panbrake, so that's the system that most operators are used to, or some of the older guys like to actually drop the front apron, so drop this apron down to accommodate the actual thickness being bent. So let's run through some of the features as well on the operation. Our standard Panbrake, we offer this particular length. The body's the same, but just the fit-offs are different. This one's a standard operation, so it has a simple angle setting on the side. We've also got an NC1 that has a programmable controller, and an NC2 that has a programmable bending controller and also backguage position. But this one is our keep it simple, silly model, which is just a quick action angle setting on the side there. So just what we do first of all is over here. We've got a simple protractor type setting there, angle setting, so you set that to which bend angle you want to go to, and also the limit switch there on how far you want the actual head to go back. So you've got full control over the bending and also the apron sort of clamping and retract. So come back over here on the control over here. Obviously we've got manual and auto. So manual, if I turn that there, if you look over here, I can actually release the clamp and clamp it all via the controller, and I can manually bring that up and down via the controller as well. And that's generally done when you're sort of testing your first angle. When you're happy with your fold and the angle, simply put it into auto, stand back, and then we put our material in. We'll just we'll release it. I'll just get a little bit of aluminium just over here, a bit of checker. Simply sort of put that in here. We've got to stand out of the guards and obviously clamp it and press the auto button. So that comes up and bends the material to your design angle. Smooth in operation, it's got low noise hydraulics, nice heavy duty build, like as you can see by the thickness of the apron, and that'll come back down to its start position, and the head will back open again. So there's a nice simple bend. So we've got a good selection of fingers on there as well, because it's a Panbrake folder. It's actually got separate fingers, so we've got 300s, 250s, 150s, 100s, 125s and 50s. So a really good selection of Panbrake fingers. Around the back, we've got a nice little toolbox here to put your manual in and your tools, and of course on all of our Panbrakes, basically our rack and pinion back gauge there as well. You can hear the hydraulics there, they're very, very, very quiet, so good for the workplace, and just a high quality hydraulic system. Once again, rack and pinion back gauge, you can wind that back in. It's got generally sort of 4 fingers across there, so you can do job bending or just single bending, and nice and easy to use. Lock it up and away you go. So still the fittings are all as you'd expect them, supplied by Steelmaster. Top quality fittings. Ran to the electrical control box. As you can see through there as well, we've got all your Schneider, Siemens electrics, and also your schematic that's inside the door there. So that's one of our Steelmaster Industrial full hydraulic Panbrakes. So jump onto assetplant.com.au and find our range of metalwork machinery. Thanks and have a great day.